Okay, boys and girls, this is 5.2, how to divide decimals by whole numbers using a model. So today we're going to look at this math problem. It's talking about how Angela has enough wood to make a picture frame with a perimeter of 2.4 meters. So she wants the frame to be square. What's going to be the length of each side of the frame? So we know that if she wants it to be square, that's going to be 4 sides. So we're going to be dividing 2.4 divided by 4. Okay, so to do that, we're going to draw 4 circles because that's how many that's how much we're dividing it into. So we drew 4 circles here. Now we're going to share our models among 4 equal groups. Okay, so let's draw 2.4. So 2.4 would be 1, 2. Okay, and then 0.4 would be 1, 2, 3. Actually, never mind. That is not right. 2.4 would be, here's 1, that's 1 whole, 2, and then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if we're going to divide these 2, can we divide these 2 equally into these 4 parts? No, we can't. So since 2 wholes cannot be shared among 4 groups without regrouping, we're going to cut the model apart to show tenths. So I would take this, if I was going to cut it apart, and I would turn it into tenths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I'm going to erase that because that's gone now. I've turned it into this. Now I can divide it equally, and I'm also going to turn this into tenths also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I'm going to get rid of that. Now let's count how many tenths we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So we have 24 tenths. So for part C, there are 24 tenths in 2.4. Now we're going to share the tenths equally among the groups. So I have 24, so I'm going to just count out 24 among these 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So I can equally share among 4 groups because I took my 24 and I divided them up into 4 groups. How many in each group? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many wholes are there? Are there any of these? That's equal to 1. So the answer is no. There are no ones. So there are 0 ones and there are 6 tenths in each group, which is also equal to 0.6. That's how you write 6 tenths. Use your model to complete the number sentence. So 2.4 divided by 4 is 0.6. So the length of each side will be 0.6. Okay? All right. So I want you to answer number 1. How come you need to cut apart the models here? Why did we need to take this and turn it into this? Why? So you're going to answer that question here. Explain why you need to cut apart the model in step C. So I want you to write your answer there. Okay? We're going to skip number 2 for that one. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to page 214. Okay, so now we're going to do another problem. You can also use base 10 blocks to model division of a decimal by a whole number. So that's also, you can use the base blocks. You can use draw it, or you can use the blocks if you want to. So here, if you want to use the base 10 blocks, I will have them available for you. If you'd rather draw the picture, that's fine too. Okay, so I'm going to move this over just a little to give me some room. Okay, so Kyle has a roll of ribbon that is 3.21 yards long. He cuts the ribbons in 3 equal lengths. So I'm going to be dividing 3.21 divided by 3. So this number is how many groups I'm going to divide. Okay, so I'm going to draw out 3.1, which is right here. 1, 2, 3, 3.21, I mean, 1, 2, 3, and then 2/10, and then our 100th, which is shown here. 3, 2/10, and 100th. So there are 3 ones, 2/10, and 100th. So step 2 is to share the ones. Share the ones equally among 3 groups. So we're going to divide, how many groups are we going to have? That's 3. So I'm going to draw my 3 groups. You can also make 3 piles if you're using the manipulatives. So I can take my 3 blocks and put them here. So that works. So I'm going to cross those out because I just put them over here. Now I have to divide these tenths. So I can't do that. So I need to regroup. Okay, so let's go to step 2 really quick before we go on. Share the ones equally among 3 groups. There is 1 ones shared in the group and 0 left over, because that's talking about this, so there's no leftovers. So now when we share the 10th, we're going to take our 10th and we're going to turn it into 10 ones. So if we take 1 of the 10th and turn it into 10 ones, we're going to get 10. So we're going to draw those 10. And then we're also going to do the other one, and that's, so 2 of these, 2/10 equals 20 hundredths. Plus, we have this little one over here. So it really equals 21 hundredths. So there are 0/10 shared in each group because we can't divide these 2 equally, so we have to exchange it. Now we're going to take our 21 and we're going to divide it among these 3. 1. Okay, let's do a different color so you can see a little better. Make it a little bigger. So now we're going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, so now there are no tenths left over. Oops, ooh. Gotta get a smaller thing. There are no tenths left over, and there was 21 hundredths. We shared the 21 hundredths equally among the 3 groups. So how many hundredths are in each group? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 hundredths in each group and 0 hundredths left over. We've shared them all. So how much is in one group? There are 0 tenths and there are 7 hundredths. Okay? All right. Now you're going to do the share and show. I hope you have a great time with that, and I will talk to you soon.